Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video of this channel. In today's video, we are going to be trying MIZER, a new software developed by Threedee. Now, this software allows you to change elements of a model generated with Threedee. It is currently still under development, and I was extremely lucky to be able to try it. We will need to start in Threedee in our last project of the university. We will need to publish the variables that we want to modify and give them a range and a step. Once we finish with that, we will publish the function and move into our scene, where we will create two variations. The first one will be the playing for the university, where we will import a DXF file and we will label the sites and areas accordingly. For our two main buildings, the south will be the inner edges of the building, as well as the middle area. The north, east and west will be placed based on the location of the south edge. We will also define the areas for pavement, garden and concrete. Then we will move into the single variation. This will be a compass sketch of 100 by 70, and we will also label the inner area as south. To be able to import this project into MIZER, we will just need to select the three dots on top of the right of our project and select to binary. Once in MIZER, our project will be already there and we can start modifying it as we please. For example, the domes of the buildings are in the wrong place, so we can just select them and tick the option that says Make Dome, select the corner where we want it and tick Make Dome again. We could also rotate them 90 degrees so they are facing the right direction. We have loads of possibilities where we can modify almost everything, if not everything, of our model, so we can just achieve the look that we actually want. We can change the style of the windows, for example, as well as the semicircles on top. We can also change the amount of divisions per window, and also by selecting the square on the left of each variable, we can enter an exact amount. If you select the entire building, you can modify the dimensions of each section. In this case, I decided to increase slightly the height of the lower level. We can change the style of the baluster, where we can not only change the type, but also if it is a square or rounded, as well as the level of subdivisions. We could even modify this sphere if we wanted and have a semisphere instead. We can also modify each set of columns to change their style, as well as the capital of the columns and their base. We have so many possibilities that is just incredible. It really feels like playing a game. Now we are going to modify the roof. We are going to add some dormers and change the amount and width of them. We could just even change the height of the roof if we wanted to. And we can even change the columns of the dome and also the width of the base as well as the windows of the dormers. And in case you were wondering, yes, we could also change the window frame of each set of windows if we wanted to. So if you were happy with certain attributes of the model that you created in Threedee, but wished you could change some minor details, well, this is your software. Or even if you wanted to change all of it, really. Once you are happy with your model, you can export it to use it in a game engine or other 3D software. You just need to select Create FBX, select the style and pipeline that you want and click OK. Once the FBX is generated, you can just select the option FBX result and click Open in the pop-up window. This will direct you to the folder where your file was saved. If you remember, previously we created a single variation on Threedee. Well, this one is available on the left-hand side, where it says sketch. This will provide you with just one building. Now, if we go to the Edit Sketch menu, we can subdivide the edges and modify the shape of the base of our model so the building will adapt to it. Here we can add the dome and also make any changes that we want to, just as we did before. We could also change the labels of the edges of the sketch to create different variations. As you can see, anything created with Threedee can adapt to almost any shape. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!